welcome back to North of the Broad. Have you ever heard of the business SeaIslandsCrawlspace? Well, it's an up-and-coming business doing really well. We have the owner with us now, and his name is Sawyer Davis. It's so nice to meet you.
Thank you. It's nice meeting you too. I appreciate y'all having me.
Excited about your business. So you graduated from college in business, thinking, maybe I'll go to insurance,
That's right.
And then you started working for another business.
Crawlspace and foundation repair.
And you got all that experience and you opened up your own business again. When was that?
So that was about 3 years ago now. But I've been doing this work for almost a decade, which is crazy to say. Yes, ma'am.
And so let's talk about your scope of services.
Sure.
What all do you provide for folks?
So we're local right here in Beaufort. We service Beaufort, Bluffton, and Hilton Head. But what we specialize in is any type of moisture mitigation underneath your home. So obviously here in the Lowcountry, we've got a lot of moisture, a lot of humidity. And that environment doesn't play too well with crawl spaces. So we can do any type of moisture mitigation. Encapsulation is a big part of our scope of work where we'll actually go in. Sure. So we'll actually go in and install a liner underneath the house. So we're basically sealing it off and then conditioning it with a dehumidifier. So that's just a good way to prevent wood rot, mold, rot, odors, things like that can destroy the value of your home. So moisture mitigation is a big one. Structural repair is another one. If you ever have a leak underneath your house, sometimes it can rot your beams, subfloor, joist, etc. So we can come in and repair that stuff for you and make it like it never happened. So that's another thing. We do insulation as well, and then we do mold remediation as well. So in simple, I would say in short, anything from your floors down is what we specialize in.
All right, and is it because there are a lot of homes in this area that are built over, like I was telling you that I think we're built on a slab, but have that crawl space and they're older homes and we're in the low country, so there's just a lot of issues that can happen.
Yes, exactly.
Why do you have to have a crawl space anyway? Why can't every home be built on a slab?
Sure. So there's a lot of flood regulations now that are in place via local municipalities that require builders to bring those homes up in the event that there is a tidal surge and we have water coming up into our residential areas. It's a little bit safer to be elevated a little bit higher. But in all reality, you know, our environment just, I would say more than half the year we're sitting at 80+% relative humidity. So that makes a breeding ground under your home for, like I said, mold, rot, odors, and things of that nature.
So you said you majored in business and now you're a business owner. So what are the challenges and what are the rewards? Are you enjoying it?
Sure, I love it. I mean, working for yourself, it's you know, it's a beautiful thing. It comes with its own challenges, of course. But what I like the most is to, you know, really guide the people that work for me and make sure that they're not only successful in their jobs, but in their lives too. So we were talking about how, you know, we'll talk with our employees about 401ks and savings accounts and different things that can not only make them successful in their jobs, but in life too. So that's a big payoff for me. And of course, you know, being the master of your own schedule is a beautiful thing. I've got a little baby boy on the way, so I look forward to being able to, thank you. I look forward to being able to spend more time with him as work allows, of course. But I think owning a business, you get out what you put in. And, watching the reputation and the company grow and, you know, people benefit from our services is a real gift and a real blessing.
All right, and your wife also works.
She does.
Right now she does for the business. After she has this little baby boy, maybe a few changes.
Yeah, we'll see. I mean, she's very good to put up with us. I'll say she's the brains behind the operation for the most part. But thankfully, she doesn't have to go in your crawl space. She's more support services, scheduling, materials, things of that nature.
Good. Don't have her going under houses being pregnant. No way. Okay, now Sawyer, where are you located? How do we find you?
Sure.
Okay.
So our warehouse is right off of Boundary Street here in Beaufort. You can find us at www.SeaIslandsCrawlspace.com. You can check us out on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Come see our work. You know, we're really, really proud of the reputation that we've built here. And if you look us up on Google, we've got a 5-star rating, which we're very proud of too.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Well, good job. Very
Appreciate
proud of you. Love these young business owners. Just love it. All right. The company is called SeaIslandsCrawlspace, and Sawyer Davis is the owner. We appreciate you being with us and continue the good work.
I appreciate it.
And thank you all for joining us for this edition of North of the Broad. I'm Robyn Zimmerman, and guess what? We'll see you next time. Bye.